Welcome to GH Updates. This is News Mashup with me, Prince TQ. We're going to take you through stuff that happened that you didn't hear. The way even if you heard, maybe you didn't get it well. We're going to hammer it again. All the things that happened during the week, we selected those we think you need to hear. A lot of news are going to feature. It's featuring Lumba, it's featuring Kevin Taylor, there's Bright Simmons, and so on and so forth. Please be with us as we go through all the news just to keep you informed, educated, and entertained. Ladies and gentlemen, we will start with Kevin Taylor. Just recently, Kevin Taylor back Ghana. He's been around, people suggested, there were rumors that he was staying at the vice president's house, which became a news. People didn't understand why Kevin Taylor, who was then a fugitive, because the Supreme Court of Ghana, one judge had, issued an arrest warrant on him. So people thought that why? Is it that somebody who's wanted by the highest court of the land is being housed in the vice president's residence? But when he went to court, I think some judges sat on the case and overturned the ruling. So now he's a free man. But he went on Radio Gold and said that he was going to Kumasi to visit his king. That's how he put it. And people thought maybe it was Otumfo. They were like, who's this same Kevin Taylor? All the time you are on Otumfo, insulting him left, right, center. So how come our Bagana say because what? So one man came out and said, Kevin Taylor to the Nancy Kumasia, so I saw some posts. People said, Kevin Taylor said, some few days ago, a plane landed somewhere. People thought it was Kumasi, but they also say Tamale na Kevin Taylor. And now no paying a video about a guy now threatening Kevin Taylor na Sakon na Malaysia, thinking say be a Kevin Taylor about. And you'll say Otumfo de be an yemye or the better Kevin Taylor. As a Kevin Taylor uraho na Otumfo anya na krana so pia obe shooting because Kevin Taylor did it or him pon Otumfo say to atema. Ono as an asante man ahye pa. If you say the betima a man cry, the betima they are pissing so and they say we shoot Kevin Taylor. In fact, bag bono one say the weapon him Kevin Taylor show up any papa man. So that is it. We just highlight. So me adoma later will give you details. Another thing so I pop it up Chema Wontumi Honsensen. Ubekaya Yoko pick up Wontumi some time ago from the residents of Kumasi. Now, once and some say more investigation into the Galamsey operations, of course, or Tanum Rim Forest. Being so some road contract to be our G during Akufo-Addo presidency. One year contract, no. There are other issues here, so Akwaje Bosnia, so they could be bro and a whole lot of stuff. Now, Attorney General Dominic Ayine, Honorable Obabontin obey press conference. The friend say government accountability series. It do so general I think 11 a.m. and they nearby. Now can some far Wontumi ho say all investigations are more concerning with the Galamsey operations no more the docket near ready. Very soon Wontumi will be charged and prosecuted at the court. And also the whole Sembebro later. Now Bright Simmons is in the news again. Bright Simmons, what follow now? Or you'll be a governance policy analyst, right? Now, I think say another specialty or share something about these stuffs, accounting, policy analysis near the identity. Say, I bind the policy biba, Bob on table chichim, maybe I want to ask here, and I home be now. As a social commentator, anything about be He's part of Imani group. I think say or a vice president or so. Until or the assembly about on Kaya. Attorney General Ebeka say Unibank owner the former finance minister Abena before or NDC near maybe a term now or bank. He has been a finance minister before. Now be a Unibank no. Obekaya, I think in 2017 before the presidency they did what they called banking sector cleanup. What it meant was that some banks lack liquidity. Because liquidity it's about their finance and how our Wontumi financial operations. Now, ebi mo die nkoye. Ema Jomama time omo sika bi se omo san fa en support omo in that way but ebi mo gi sika no omo afa nkoye de se so omo de ye omo de sika no koye me mafofo nti banks bebre o ha egugu no ama omo directors ne ebi CEOs ne ade prosecute bi a I think say right now ba kokra da prison ato Asian da prison e was ansensem ya ho na aban sesai e na case ba ko court makwa twam sa case no connected to Kwabena before na dem feel say oye NDC ni nti ana because it seems say NDC by cases bi ho no ma NDC for ho bo ma won twetwam be kaya ba ko with the current governor of the Bank of Ghana and also na the Ebine court Mr. Siama go twam ba ko ho na connected to Honorable Collins Dauda and also mu twam and ba ko be with Sedu Agongo and say to so na we so Kwabena before the council people are thinking say maybe NDC for person mo favor no na attorney general ba bonten no ka say sika mo feel say akodi ne ho no the mo 60% kana na Bright Simon say there be why the investigation anya no kre sika o dia ba no em do 60% in fact em do 20% to 10.6% and obetime a recover na che say sem na attorney general e de ba bonten no kre en she dem fa ba bi ye no kre but ba bi there it's not true. So we'll go into details later and give you all the facts and figures behind that story. And also, I don't know. Now, I be free money sports kakra. This is mashup, news mashup. So we be our movie. Now in sports, Leo Messi, kakra, wasem kakra. I think say why be that, but he's doing it again. Obebo na match na obebo no penifo so body camera obebo na tade na obehye no like he will wear wearable camera na obebo no nyina na chese twa close up footage on be broadcasting live on TikTok. It drew on man ko pebia hwe mo so why be that nyankasa de manya chance an hwe bi so this time around me kan ho ne akwhwe se na city. Another sports story abetum GFA new appointment on my obekaya recently na Kotoko party race with their coach Dr. Prosper Ogum na GFA mpanimfo appoint no say sianko Black Starlets new head coach, that is the under 17 men under 17 Black Starlets. All right, you see one head coach then no nko amasama no another position e GFA as head of coach education, that is person be coach a titia so fam no ne ade peni obeda sa coaching education ano no one na Prosper Nati Ogum. That's the kakra free sports sector also ba. Now in family entertainment kakra in entertainment na no yantia sempa the 26th na enyina ya de enyina da de lumba ejai ho ya na see owo chinsem de ya na ebebre ebusuafo sesei we say biso de lumba de neka biso say lumba yie bi akɔhye le won say amwa no sorry nyana yie per se but o kire say be mo de vigil night or candle night na akɔhye no 2nd August, which is the day on also premiere the movie na o say aboho ka ye hu de da. So those who were doing that, fixing the date on 2nd August no should have known better. I said at least to consider and say the Lumba, such a great man, the vigil night, ekoshe, on no day or premiere the movie. The man one, see how can say or no, it's likely say Wontumi Kobe. Any papa, because if you listen, such a legend, they also to me Kobe no go anano, but a bit crash with the program now, Wontumi ko plus a bit me so ama the program no, send me basaka kra, tina a hanopa also. You can create free entertainment. Another thing about Shatta Wale, Bekaya, one Reverend Daniel Yaudonko, Eba Bontin say, when you chile, say Shatta Wale enter, we shoot to the kun. Shatta Wale tears no one fan lightly cry. Reported the case to the police. Social media, he was ranting, say, say Ghana police say, they should do something. No question to be a bit better than Bontin, can't send the ass until or report case now and say, I'm a man. More than a coin, when you bill. But 20,000 Ghana cedis and a bail almost 30 man say omitia ti wetima miti Emma Mama bill, but in case no margin to August 27th, say Obesa Kotanaso. Ladies and gentlemen, ha and the demobesi on the news mashup.